Hi, I'm Brooks Forster for Broadcast Beat. We're at the 141st AES convention here in Los Angeles, California. We just stopped over at the A Design booth. We're here with Peter. Peter, what are some of the new product innovations you guys are showing off here at AES that you guys are really excited about?
Oh, we have quite a few things that I'd like to talk to you about. Some of them are new, some of them are not. Some of them are rehash of the old, not rehash, but a redevelopment of the old stuff.
An improvement, you're just like, boom.
Yeah, well, you'll see in a second.
Yeah.
I'll go through that.
Take me through it.
All right, for the first one that I want to talk about is the Hammer 2. Basically, it's the Hammer, the old Hammer, which is HM2 EQ, and we just put it into the Hammer 2. And what we did here is we put detinted pots on our cut and boost. We added more frequencies, and we have more shelving. This is something that our customers have been asking us to do for a long time. Well, we did it. And actually, it's up for a tech award this year.
Would you say you guys dropped the hammer when the customers asked for improvements?
We always do that.
Yeah, you guys dropped the hammer. That's great. Well, I'm sure people are really looking forward to it. It sounds like you guys made some really awesome developments on it. What's next on your list of?
For new products, I'm going to just go run through some real quick stuff. Our EM EQ2, which is a Pultec style EQ, but we put two of them in a 2RU 19-inch rack. This absolutely kills. The bottom end on this is stellar. All right, Pultec is known for their bottom end. We just took it a little step further. It's not a clone of a Pultec, but I'll tell you what, to me, it sounds better. It's more hi-fi. So if you're into Pultec and you can't afford a real one, which is what, $8,000-9,000, you can purchase this one at a very reasonable cost. The other thing is that we have the nail compressor. This is the sister or the brother to the Hammer. Very, very nice compressor. It has a lot of features that no compressors have. They may have some of them, but not all of them. Okay. And what we do is we feature this and fairly clean. It's a tube along with solid state. You get some great results. There's some good options here for anybody putting it on a two bus. For drums, parallel, whatever, or a two bus, you can't beat this. This is just a killer.
Awesome. Well, Peter, what about this one up here? Is this a new product, or is this something that you guys have also dropped the hammer on, made some improvements? I'm just going to keep that up.
No problem. Actually, these are two new products. This one's not new, but it is new. This is the original. It's called the Ready. It's a tube direct box, which has made a splash in the recording industry and for touring for the last 3-4 years now. So I'm real excited about that, and I'm very pleased about it. But we
nice and easy to travel with for touring. Yeah. This one's not too much bigger though.
Well, it is. It's a rack mount. Okay. One of the things that we found out from the Ready is that there are keyboard players that don't want to buy two of these. They don't want to lug around two. So what we did was we put it in a 2RU, and we made two Readies into a 19-inch rack. Much easier to carry around. Put it in your case. It's protected. You're done.
Peter, you guys do a great job of listening to your customer, listening to what their needs are, and then creating those innovations in order to accommodate.
We try.
That's great.
If we can do it, we'll do it. If we can't, we can't. But some things we can do without spending $10 million, and some things we can do by spending a couple hundred.
Yeah.
If we can get away with spending a couple hundred and satisfy all the people, I'm all for it.
What's the cost difference in the Ready 1 and the Ready 2?
All right, the Ready 1 basically is, I believe street price is $745. The Ready 2 is $1,200.
So not, double. Let me do the math. That would usually be $1,600 if you were packing two around. That's quite the discount.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
It's a hell of a buy. You're getting two Readies for less than the price of two Readies.
Better product, less money. Well, can you show us here about this last one here, Peter?
Sure. Follow me over here.
We're going to bring in Tony. Tony's the expert on this. So he'll give us the lowdown and what's going on. Hey, Tony.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Good to see you. Tell us everything you got going on over here.
So,
well,
most
everything.
So this is the Mix Factory, and my concept, designed by Paul Wolf, who used to run API and ToneLux, and it's a 16-channel summing box. That's the top row here are pans. This is fader or volume. And then the mutes also double as signal indicators. So let's turn on a little bit of music here. And you'll see here that not only are they signal indicating what's going on, but they're now also mutes.
That's awesome. So, speaking to someone who doesn't know everything about this, this seems like a feature that I would use all the time if I utilize this every day, correct?
That's correct. I mean, it's great to be able to look across the room and see exactly what's going on. You can see if the signal there or not. There's groups 1 through 8 and 9 through 16. So 1 through 8 has its own submaster, 9 through 16 has its own submaster, and then there's an overall master. And then you've got an insert on 1 through 8, an insert on 9 through 16, and then an insert on the 2-bus master as well. And right here, this is a transformer on the 2-bus that you can pop in or out.
That's cool. And this is an addition. This transfer. The previous model didn't have that, correct?
Well, this is brand new to the 4 this week.
All of this.
All of this is.
Oh.
And so this transformer is just like, it's a steel transformer. It's custom wound by Cinemag. It sounds absolutely amazing. And on top of all that, these are linkable. So you can take another mix factory and put it here, and now you've got 32 channels.
Just add on,
And
based
keep
on your
adding,
need.
And keep adding, and keep adding.
That's amazing. Is there, now what was the name of this product again?
The Mix Factory.
The Mix Factory. You guys are, that's an amazing name. You guys have the hammer, the Mix Factory.
That's right,
Sounds
baby.
like A-Design's got it going on. Hey, thank you for watching broadcast. Be sure to like or subscribe the video, and leave a comment here for John if you have any, and he'll get right back to you, right?
That's right.
All right.
That's right.